In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Smartsheet questionnaire. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting a survey, or simply trying to streamline data collection, creating a questionnaire in Smartsheet is a versatile and efficient way to manage responses. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into Smartsheet. This might seem straightforward, but ensuring you're in the right account is crucial, especially if you manage multiple projects or clients. Once you're logged in, the next step is to create a new sheet or select an existing one that you're comfortable working with. A sheet acts as the foundation for our questionnaire and represents the form structure where all responses will be stored. Once your sheet is ready, it's time to add some columns that align with the questions you want to ask. Think of columns as individual fields that will house each element of your questionnaire. For instance, you might want to include a name column, an email column, and a satisfaction rating column, which can be a drop down or even a star rating depending on your preference. Don't forget to add a comments column for any open-ended feedback. With your sheet set up, navigate to the top toolbar and click on Forms. This is where the magic happens. Here, you will click on Create Form, which leads to a blank canvas that will eventually become your questionnaire. Your form's title is crucial as it sets the tone for the respondents. For example, you might rename it to something inviting, like Customer Feedback Form. As you build your form, you'll have the option to drag and drop fields to organize the questions in a logical sequence. This intuitive interface allows for modifications on the fly, enabling you to customize the order until it fits your needs perfectly. As you're organizing, consider the type of responses you want. Whether it's text for open-ended questions, drop-downs for multiple choice, checkboxes, or date fields, Smartsheet gives you the flexibility to choose what works best. To ensure clarity for your respondents, it's wise to add descriptions or help text under each question. This is especially helpful if a question might be interpreted in multiple ways. You can also set some fields as required, ensuring that you collect all necessary information. After your form is organized, it's important to preview it to make sure everything looks the way you intend. Click Open Form to see it as your respondents would. This allows you to make any final tweaks before it's shared. When you're satisfied, you have several options for distribution. You can copy and paste the link to the form, email it directly to potential respondents, or even embed it on a website for broader reach. Whichever method you choose will help you gather the data you need efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a Smartsheet questionnaire. With this setup, you'll be collecting valuable insights in no time. Happy surveying!